Celebrations are taking place across Dublin to mark Bloomsday, the day immortalised by James Joyce in his novel Ulysses. The festival attracts thousands of tourists to the capital every year to celebrate the literary works of one of Ireland's best-known authors.
5 young children.
Yeah, great blow to the poor wife.
Indeed, yes.
The funeral of Paddy Dignam, which Leopold Bloom attends on the 16th of June 1904, was reenacted at Glasnevin Cemetery on Bloomsday, the day immortalised by James Joyce in Ulysses.
About 150 people in Ulysses are actually buried here now. They're real-life people, sometimes they're composite characters.
We're on the learning curve on Ulysses and enjoying every minute of it, and love coming here to see the production here in Glasnevin.
It's the book that keeps on giving, Ulysses is, and the characters, and it's just amazing to have it.
Bloomsday also attracts thousands of tourists from all over the world who come to visit the real-life places and settings featured in Joyce's sprawling novel, including here at Davy Byrne's pub. Leopold Bloom famously visited the pub for a glass of Burgundy and a gorgonzola cheese sandwich, always a popular lunch choice with tourists on Bloomsday.
They're just blown away. Some people actually cry, and that's the truth. They just get so emotional to see the pub.
I took a class that was on Ulysses, so it was kind of always a dream of mine once I moved here to come up to Bloomsday at some point.
He's a bloody ruffian, I say.
For more than 70 years, Bloomsday has been marked in the capital with recitals and re-enactments from the novel.
80% of it is our lads gossiping in a variety of pubs and going down the street. And it's that beautiful Hiberno English, the way we speak English here.
Their eyes bulging, wiping wetted moustaches.
104 years after it was first published, Ulysses continues to attract and enthrall new fans. Dimitri O'Donnell, RTE News, Dublin.